Hey everyone, in this video, I show you on how to create a program that uses string concatenation. So, this code allows the user to enter their first name and last name, and then it combines the two using string concatenation to form the full name. Finally, it displays the complete name on the screen. This helps the user understand how to use input and output function as well as how to combine strings in Python. So first, enter first name equals input. Enter your first name. This line asks the user to type their first name. The input function lets the user enter information and it stores what they type in the variable first name. So second, last name equals input. Enter your last name. This line asks the user to type their last name. Example, if the user types Montalban, it will be stored in last name. So next, full name equals first name plus last name. This line concatenates the first name and last name with a space between them. Example, Jeremy plus quotation mark plus Montalban becomes Jeremy Montalban. So next, print your full name is plus full name. So this line display in the full name on the screen. So if you run this code, the output will be Jeremy Montalban. That's all.